Hello, welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to create an ESOL activity using Flippity Randomizer. So first, I'm going to click here and go to flippity.net, and then sometimes this banner looks like it's the way to sign into Flippity. You don't have to sign into Flippity. It's just an ad, but don't click on this banner unless you're interested in whatever they're selling. So scroll down. Here is Flippity Randomizer. There's the demo. There are the instructions. I want the instructions. So here is the quick and easy option. In this, you're just going to have one spinning wheel, but it could be great. Maybe you want your students just to ask and answer like basic personal information questions. So for example, what's your first name? What's what's your last name? What's your date of birth? What's your phone number? All right. So I've got that, and now I can click on generate, and I've got the game. Here's a little spinny wheel. Great. So now my students can access this, and they can walk around the room and have their phones and ask each other these questions, or just turn to a partner and ask each other these questions. But in order for them to access it, I'm going to have to share this link. You can see this is a really long link. No one wants to type this. One good thing you can do is copy the link and go to a QR code generator. You can see here this is the-qrcode-generator.com. Paste the very long link right here, and there's the QR code. If I want to share this with my students, what works for me generally is I use the snipping tool on a PC, and I just select the QR code. And then, if you're using PowerPoint, you can just paste it into a PowerPoint. If you're just using you can even print it out if you don't have a projector. So you just paste it into a Word document and then print it out, and your students can access the game via that QR code. Another option, if you want to shorten the link, just to make it a little bit more manageable, is you can go to tinyurl.com and paste in your long link. Whoops, I should do this. Paste in your long link. Oh, it's not doing it. Okay. Get it again. Copy. Back here. Okay. There we go. So I pasted in that link, and now I can shorten it. And tinyurl gives me this link. This is also going to be helpful because if I close this window here with these basic questions, then it's gone unless I still have the link to it. So I can't, it's not saved anywhere for me. It's just in the link. So you also really need to save the links if you've created something that took you a little while. And so I can copy that, share it with my students. I can paste it into a Word document with my lesson plan for this lesson so that it's an easy place to find. All right, so that is the quick and easy version of creating a Flippity. The longer one, which lets you have multiple spinning columns, not just one, is down here. And all the instructions are here, but I'll just walk you through them. So for one, it says make a copy of this template, and as noted, I need to be signed into Google Drive. There we go. Make a copy. Okay, and it already has all this stuff in it. This is from the demo that the website offers, but I'm going to delete all that. So There's different things you can do, of course. I've done this before. What's your favorite? What's your favorite? ... And over here, I don't know, off the top of my head, what's your favorite sports team? What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite color? I mean, these are just kind of basic warm-up questions, but of course you can do something that's very related to the content of your lessons. And one thing I've found is that if I don't put anything here in these two columns, sometimes it doesn't quite work. So I'm just going to put a number 1 there and a number 2 there, but could be anything. See, the blue columns, definitely don't edit those. If you edit those, then it just won't work. Okay, so now that I've got this very basic starter draft, I should go down to this tab right here, down on the bottom. And it gives me instructions of what I should do next. So it says publish your spreadsheet. Click on File, Share, Publish to Web, Publish. Okay, will do. File, Share, Publish to Web, and Publish. Are you sure you want to publish this selection? I am sure. So now I've got this, and I should copy this link. And I can close the window. All right, now that I've copied the link, look, step 2. Copy the link you are provided and paste it into cell A3 below. Great. There. And paste. Okay. Now, step 3, click on the link in cell A5 below to go to your Flippity.net randomizer. Let's check it out. Great, it works. So I can spin this wheel, and my students can ask each other, what's your favorite color? Or what's your favorite movie? Or whatever it is. A couple things about this. So I've got the game. Great. I might need to shorten the link in order to share it with my students. So again, I can go to tinyurl.com and go through that process that I showed you. You might also want to create a QR code of the link. And again, you can just do that here at the free QR code generator. And a third thing is that this is now a file that's saved in my Google Drive. Great, so I'm not just going to lose it. But one thing that's going to be really helpful in terms of not losing it is to give it a name that is memorable. So it's automatically called copy of Flippity.net randomizer. I keep saying copy, but anyway, copy of Flippity.net randomizer template. That's not very helpful for me in terms of finding it later. Maybe I'll call it, let's see, favorites Flippity. And I should choose where I want to save it. Maybe in the folder with other materials from this lesson. So click there and then find the right location so I can save it there and find it easily again. Another thing that I found is that sometimes you want to add something in. What's your favorite ice cream flavor? There. And let's see, now I'm going to go to the game again. I'm going to click refresh. And is ice cream flavor there? No, ice cream flavor is not there. So it seems like a glitch, but really it's fine. After you publish it, any edits that you make may take a few minutes to pop up. They may take a few minutes to actually appear in the game, but they'll be there. If you have time, then don't worry about it. If you're like doing this at the last minute before class, you can just go to File, make a copy, and get all the edits in you want, and now go through this process again, and the edits will all be there a little bit faster than having to wait around for it. That's it. I hope this was helpful. And I hope you find Flippity to be useful. It's a great app. I like it a lot. All right. Have a good one.